Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your audio in Kinemaster without changing the pitch. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Kinemaster, and as you can see I have added my audio to this project, and I'm going to speed up this audio. Okay, we can click on the audio like this, and then we're going to go to the speed menu, and for example I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and if we want to keep the pitch, we can activate this menu, keep pitch, so your audio will sound like this. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove that the pitch doesn't change. And wait, I'm going to go back to this menu, and I'm going to try to disable this feature, and let's see the difference. Okay, so if you want to keep the pitch, you can activate this feature. Okay guys, and that's all the way to speed up audio in Kinemaster without changing the pitch. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.